Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and install OBS Studio on Mac? This is the only video you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So let's just get straight into the video. Go ahead and open Safari on your Mac. I'm on my Windows. However, it's going to be the same process for you. Simply go ahead and search for OBS just like I did, and simply go ahead and click on the first link, which is going to be obsproject.com. Once you've clicked on that, you're going to be on this page right over here, and in the middle is going to be the button that you want to go ahead and click on to download and install OBS Studio for Mac. Simply go ahead and click on Mac, and you can go ahead and choose either it's Mac Intel or even Apple Silicon, and it's going to go ahead and download the DMG file on your PC. As you can see, it's not that big, it's just 179 MB. Once it has downloaded, simply go ahead and open the package and you will be easily able to install it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.